Probably about I'm gonna say about a foot and a half of accumulation. Although it's difficult to tell precisely without actually getting it down there with a measuring stick, which I will do. My pants also aren't the best, but I'm just gonna go with it. As far as shoes though, I'm gonna need some kind of boots. I'm thinking these guys, Merrell's. Usually you can't go wrong with these. I'm not saying these are the perfect boot, but they're pretty good and they're definitely waterproof. So yeah, I'm gonna go with these. Okay, so we're looking pretty good down there. I also don't want to forget I need to mail a couple of letters. I don't want to show you who they're going to because that's confidentiality. You know what I mean. I'm just saying it weird as a joke. So come on, let's go check out the weather. Well, what do you know? I got 2 Starbucks hats. So one of the things a lot of people forget about is that you're not just wanting to put the hood on, but also go with a hat, because that's going to keep a lot of the warmth, which we all know escapes rapidly from your dome, in. When it's cold, you're not even wearing gloves because your brother took your car and that's where your gloves are, and you don't even have your keys to get back in the house, so you have to leave it unlocked. You want to keep as much heat as you fucking can, dude. So like I was saying, I'm going to have to leave the door unlocked. It's not something I'd like to do around this neighborhood because it's pretty sketchy around here, but I gotta get out there and do some reporting, man. Hopefully nobody robs the house while I'm gone. I almost forgot I have to take all this recycling shit out. Now that's one of the things that can be tough about doing a one-man crew, is that you gotta do everything with one hand while you hold the camera with the other. Pretty hectic out here. So thankfully somebody cleared out a little path for me to walk, but there's still a bunch of snow up on top of these barrels. Shit. Oh, oops. Oh, that sucked. Well, whatever. I guess the trash guy is gonna have a little extra snow. Uh-oh, there's a car. Pretty scary going out around the streets with this much snow. Thankfully, it's right around freezing temperature, so it could be a lot colder. Sounds like the cops are at it again. Probably trying to catch some guys. Oh. Nope, that's actually a fire truck. He's making his pickups. This might be his last pickup of the day. Maybe my letters aren't going to be mailed till tomorrow. I really thought the last pickup of the day was at 5 o'clock, and it's only 4:46. But maybe that guy's just trying to get home early to his family, make sure they're okay with all this intense Boston weather out here. Okay, so once again, yep, here are my letters. That's the thing they go in. Let's check it out. Oh, last collection is at 5:30. All right, good thing we got out of the house today. Nobody wants to just be sitting around at home all day. You can see one guy over there plowing out the fire station. That guy just beeped at him. I don't know why. I mean, he's just like a plow guy trying to do his job. But let's duck into Tedeschi's real quick, try to get some warmth up. $3.59 for the normal one, milk chocolate. And for the marshmallows, it's only $3.49. Of course, we know that all stores typically jack up the prices on the hot cocoa when there's a winter snowstorm. They all do it. $2.79 for Mama Celeste. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Fucking Revenge of the Plows here. There are plows everywhere trying to hurt you. This looks like some pretty good virgin territory as far as snow drifts. So since I don't have my official measuring stick with me, I'm gonna do it Boston Weather Dude style. Use this as my measuring stick. So let's see what we got here. Alright, so we got snow up to wrist level. So when we get home, I'll measure exactly how long my hand is, and we will know just what the storm has brought us for accumulation thus far. You hear that? On a real snow-covered street, you can barely hear the cars. They're just silent little wisps of winter, just kind of gliding through the snow, just like a little sleigh bell. Sleigh bells ring with some Clydesdale horses. Hot cocoa on a winter's night. Question that's on everybody's mind is, how long is my hand? In other words, how much accumulation we got. So let's grab up a little tape measure right here, and moment you've all been waiting for. Looks like 7.5 inches.